What's up, guys? I'm going to show you in this tutorial if you're getting errors when trying to remove a FortiGate from FortiManager and migrate it to a different platform or another FortiManager instance, how to kind of beat the system, I guess, and get around the error messages that normally pop up. So this is actually an example of a FortiGate that I am trying to get off of FortiManager. It was initially set up and onboarded into FortiManager. I'm moving a lot of my devices into FortiGate Cloud, so I'm trying to move it to FortiGate Cloud. However, you can see it's red here. The FortiManager instance that it was connected to initially has been decommed. It's no longer up and running. Licenses expired and all that good stuff. So I can't delete it from that FortiManager appliance. If we go and if we get to Security Fabric and we go to Fabric Connectors and we click on Central Management, you can see this is the FortiManager that it was connected to at one time, no longer connected. Now, the easy way to do this would just be to click on FortiGate Cloud because that's what I want to move it to. And my account's right here, and then click OK at the bottom. But as you can see, I get an error message saying, please unregister the device from FortiManager first. Well, I can't. So we need to find kind of another way around this. So one of the little tricks that I picked up was basically what we're going to do is we're going to connect it to an instance that just doesn't exist. So I'm just going to put 1.1.1 here and click OK. And what it's going to do is it's going to basically remove that old config for FortiManager and try to find the new FortiManager, but there's nothing at that IP. So it'll basically kind of bomb out and reset itself. And this will take kind of a few minutes here. As you see, it could not connect. So we're just going to go ahead and click return. And then we're going to go back and click edit and click FortiGate Cloud. It already has my account associated with it because I'm logging to FortiGate. I'm logging to FortiCloud. So as you can see there, I did not receive that error and it actually went through. So I've kind of run into this on multiple different firmwares. This one I'm running 7.4.4 at the moment of recording this, and I was able to get it up and running and connected. So just kind of a little trick if you're having issues detaching it from FortiManager or an old FortiManager instance and migrating to FortiGate Cloud. It's a little way you can get around it. So I hope this was helpful for you. This has been my first video in a couple weeks here, but I'm going to hopefully get some more out here soon. But as always, guys, thanks for watching.